Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. So in the last week, we've had two significant fundamental news events. That is the FOMC on the Wednesday, as well as the NFP on the Friday. Now, how does that impact the market? I would like to refer you to the Forex video. You can watch that video on YouTube. Now, I'm often asked, I've addressed this question on that video. I'm often asked whether I trade fundamentals or just the technicals, and the answer is in that video. You can just check out the video for this week. That is the Forex and cryptocurrency market analysis webinar video that is available on our YouTube channel. All right, before we get started, you can contact us. Under the description of all our videos, you'll find our contact details. You just go to our channel, that is Trading Waves on YouTube. Under the description of all our videos, you will find our contact details. That is our contact details, as well as our links to the social media pages. If I can just open one so you can see what I'm talking about here. So this is the one here. If you open any of our videos, under the description there, you find that contact details. That is a link to our website, which is trading-waves.com. On the website, you'll find more details about our services, including the lifetime plan. We're running a 50% special on the lifetime plan. You can take advantage of that. That means if you join us with the lifetime plan, you don't pay a cent for the rest of your life. Then we've also got the two social media pages, that is Twitter and Facebook, where you can follow us and you'll see a lot of these charts that we post on there before and after. All right, so that's our contact details and that's our website. Now let's get started. We're gonna start with a recap of how we were looking at the market. We'll start with Bitcoin. Now this is simply in the last couple of days, how we've been looking at Bitcoin. We had this blue box setup. Now the blue box is one of the high probable reversal area method that we use to trade our charts. Now, if you look at this one here, at about 48,000, we expected Bitcoin to drop to as low as 32,000. I'm expecting lower. Okay, so how did Bitcoin play out? When was this focused? This was on the 20th of March. We expected, even when Bitcoin was rising, we were never expecting this to continue to the upside or make new highs. We're expecting this one to reverse from that level and continue to the downside because it has entered what we deem as a high probable reversal area. That is the blue box area. How did that play out? Let's have a look at how Bitcoin played out. Subsequent to that, that is a Bitcoin. And already we have dropped over $14,000. We've dropped $14,000. As you can see here, we're still expecting more. As I've been indicating, we may see Bitcoin trade even lower than that. More on that when we start with the analysis. We've also focused at Ethereum with a similar structure. Let's have a look at Ethereum. You'll also see that Ethereum has also entered the high probable reversal area, which is what we call the blue box area. You can look at that on our Forex website as well. Not the Forex website, rather, the Forex video, how we trade the blue boxes. So this is Ethereum. Just like Bitcoin, we expected it to drop from around this level. This was also on the 20th of March. Posted the same day. Ethereum at the time, it was on 3,800. How did that play out? Okay, unfortunately, it may not be in the direction that you want. We don't want the cryptocurrencies to drop. For those especially that have got portfolios in the cryptocurrencies, they just want to see the crypto market rising. This one has dropped $1,000. That's over a 40% move, almost 40% move to the downside on Ethereum. So from 3.8 to about 2,500 on Ethereum. That is the move to the downside. As you can see, we're still expecting it to drop even lower. More update on that shortly when we get started. Now we also have Ripple. The focus on Ripple, look at that. So Ripple, we focused that it was going to make a move around this level. We're going to drop here to around these levels. Now this move, this is the leg that we're looking at now. Let's have a look at how Ripple has played out. Let's have a look here on Ripple. So as you can see with Ripple, we've already got that drop to the downside. Now, do we see this one make a reversal from that level? we may get a pullback on Ripple and start making a move to the upside based on the structure that we're looking at, which I will show you shortly. Now, those are the forecasts. Now, if I just go now, let's go into the market analysis and just do a summary of what we expect going into the new week. As far as the cryptocurrencies are concerned, I don't see any change on the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin should go as low as around this level here, which is about 28,000. We should see Bitcoin drop lower than that. If you remember, the theme last week was still that the cryptocurrencies are going to continue to be bearish, and we're still expecting that. We're still expecting this to at least get around this level before any move to the upside. But we're not going to worry about this move yet. We're going to wait for this one to continue lower to as low as this level to make this structure, which we are looking at as an ABC corrective structure here on Bitcoin. Similarly, Ethereum, we're expecting the same thing. We're expecting this one to play out this expanding flat or a running flat. Running flat if it does not break this low, expanding flow if it breaks the low here. But Ethereum, just like Bitcoin, we are here, we're expecting it to drop as low as 1,500, 1,700. We can see that on Ethereum, simple three-wave structure here. And we're going to see more upside on Ethereum. It will be a very interesting area to buy Ethereum at 1,500, or if it even goes to 1,000, that will be a very interesting area to buy Ethereum. Litecoin, a slightly different structure to the rest but it's still the same thing. It is still a corrective structure. It's a three-wave structure as follows, where we can see this one still continue to the downside. We may start seeing this one start to rise after completion of this level, and then we start seeing more upside on Litecoin. Simple structures, really. Ripple, we've already looked at Ripple. So as I was saying, Ripple, we've forecasted that it was going to drop from this level to around this level, which we already got. Could it come around this level? Why would we expect it to do that? That's because we may be looking at this structure like this. Complex B corrective structure there. 1, 2, 3 there. One more move to the downside before we come back to around 1.4 there on Ripple. Why were we expecting even 1.4? Because we may be looking at a structure like this. But more on that, we don't want to complicate it for now. We're going to take it step by step. For now, we just want to see this one, if it's going to give us a reversal or an indication to around that level on Ripple. Dogecoin, right? So Dogecoin, similar to Litecoin, has got this structure here where we are looking at this as a 1, 2, and a 3 here. Could we be completing the structure here on Dogecoin? We're going to see another leg to the upside. So let's wait and see what we get here with Dogecoin. Right, ADA still a pulsing move to the downside, has not indicated anything here. This is still just one single wave to the downside, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 actually. So we should see at least a three-wave pullback before any continuation to the downside. That is ADA Solana. So you'll see that they're all just showing us continuation moves to the downside. So we've got a three-wave move here on Solana, just like we had on Bitcoin. We should see this one continue lower to around this level. That is Solana. Right, so most of the pairs are doing exactly the same thing. They are bearish. You will see with Binance against the US dollar, 1, 2, 3 here. We're still looking for this one to continue to the downside to around these levels. We should start seeing reversal around those areas. Now, that is what we're looking at on the cryptocurrencies. We are still bearish. There is no signs of reversal yet. When we do see that, we will update. But for now, you need to trade responsibly and hold on to your portfolio, because I still believe that we're still going to see more upside on the cryptos when this wave cycle is complete. Thank you very much for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you get an alert the next time we upload a video. Have a great week. Trade responsibly. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.